Unveil the profound depths of your being as you embark on a transformative journey to embrace your true potential, discovering the boundless world within you. Welcome back to Initiate Improvement, where we explore self-improvement and personal development tips. In today's video, we will discuss embracing your true potential. So let's get into it. Dare to dive into the ocean of your soul, where embracing your true potential unveils a hidden universe of possibilities. Understanding the self. This phrase is foundational in revealing your world within. It involves a thorough introspection to understand your core beliefs and values, which guide your decisions and shape your perception of the world. Discovering your unique strengths and talents is also crucial, as these are the tools with which you will navigate life's challenges. Equally important is identifying and confronting internal obstacles, fears, and biases, which can hinder personal growth and self-realization. For instance, someone might realize that their belief in hard work and perseverance stems from their upbringing. They might discover a talent for empathetic listening, making them good friends and confidants. Conversely, they might uncover a deep-seated fear of failure, which has been holding them back from pursuing their dream career. This self-awareness journey is like assembling a puzzle of one's identity, piece by piece, leading to a clear picture of who they truly are. Tips: exploring personal beliefs and values, recognizing unique strengths and talents, and identifying internal obstacles and fears. Emotional landscape. Understanding your emotional landscape is crucial to self-discovery. It involves recognizing and naming your emotions, understanding what triggers them, and learning how to manage them effectively. Developing emotional intelligence is necessary for building resilience against life's challenges. This stage also emphasizes the importance of self-compassion and empathy, enabling you to navigate your inner world with kindness and understanding and to connect more deeply with others. Consider a person who feels intense anxiety before public speaking. Through introspection, they might trace this emotion back to a negative experience in their past. They can learn to manage this anxiety by cultivating emotional intelligence, perhaps through techniques like deep breathing or positive self-talk. Additionally, practicing self-compassion can help them to accept and work through their emotions rather than harshly judging themselves for feeling anxious. Tips: mapping out personal emotions and their triggers, developing emotional intelligence and resilience, and cultivating self-compassion and empathy. Mind and imagination. This aspect focuses on unlocking the potential for your subconscious mind. It encourages engaging in creative thinking and visualization to envision and manifest your desires. Understanding the role of imagination in shaping your reality is vital. This area also includes exploring the significance of dreams and their potential insights into your subconscious mind, helping to reveal your inner world and its mysteries. Take the example of a creative writer who uses their imagination to craft vivid story worlds. They might utilize visualization techniques to develop plot lines or characters, tapping into their subconscious for inspiration. Dreams, too, can be a source of creative ideas, with some writers keeping dream journals to capture these nocturnal imagings. This exploration of the mind and imagination is like opening a door to endless creative possibilities. Tips: harnessing the power of the subconscious mind, engaging in creative thinking and visualization, and exploring dreams and their meanings. Spiritual dimensions. Exploring your spiritual dimensions can provide a profound sense of connection and purpose. This involves understanding your personal spirituality and how it contributes to your sense of identity and place in the universe. Practices such as mindfulness and meditation are emphasized for deepening your spiritual connection and enhancing self-awareness, fostering a sense of peace and harmony within. One might find that meditation helps them feel more connected to a greater purpose or the universe. Another individual might discover that walks in nature evoke a profound sense of spiritual peace and connectedness. This exploration of spirituality is deeply personal and can vary greatly from person to person, but it often leads to a more grounded and centered sense of self. Tips: delving into personal spirituality and its role in self-identity, understanding the connection between self and the universe, and practicing mindfulness and meditation. Personal growth and development. This element is about setting and pursuing goals that resonate with your inner values and aspirations. Embracing lifelong learning and self-improvement helps you to evolve continuously, overcoming limitations and stepping out of your comfort zone. This process is integral to realizing your true potential and living a fulfilling life. An example could be someone who aims to learn a new language, aligning with their cultural understanding and connection values. Learning, making mistakes, and gradually improving can be a powerful journey of self-improvement. Overcoming the fear of speaking a new language imperfectly might also represent stepping out of their comfort zone, fostering personal growth. Tips: setting meaningful goals aligned with inner values, embracing continuous learning and self-improvement, and overcoming limitations and expanding comfort zones. Interpersonal connections. This part acknowledges the significant impact of relationships on your internal world. It involves enhancing communication skills and relationship building abilities, and recognizing the influence of social interactions on your emotional well-being. Building a supportive and nurturing social circle is crucial for a balanced and enriched life, offering comfort and growth opportunities. For example, someone might reflect on how their friendships enrich their life, providing support and joy. They might work on being a better listener to strengthen these relationships further. Conversely, they might realize that certain relationships are draining or negative, prompting them to set boundaries or seek more fulfilling connections. Tips: reflecting on the impact of relationships on the inner self, enhancing communication and relationship skills, and building a supportive and nurturing social circle. Physical and mental health. Recognizing the link between physical and mental health is crucial to understanding your inner world. Prioritizing physical health through exercise, diet, and rest directly impacts mental well-being. Adopting healthy lifestyle habits improves physical health and enhances mental clarity, emotional stability, and overall life satisfaction. Consider someone who starts a regular exercise routine and notices a significant improvement in their mood and energy levels. Another might find that a balanced diet helps with their mental clarity and emotional stability. These lifestyle changes demonstrate the profound impact of physical health on one's mental and emotional state. Tips: acknowledging the mind-body connection, prioritizing physical health for mental well-being, and adopting healthy lifestyle habits. Integration and harmony. The final aspect is about achieving balance and integration of the various facets of your inner world. It focuses on creating harmony among your emotional, mental, physical, and spiritual dimensions. This holistic approach leads to a sense of wholeness and fulfillment, enabling you to live authentically, aligned with your true self, and with a clear sense of purpose. This could involve someone balancing their career ambitions with their needs for emotional well-being, ensuring neither aspect overwhelms the other. Finding a middle ground between social activities and celerity. Introspective time might mean finding a middle ground. This pursuit of balance and integration is akin to an orchestra where each instrument plays in harmony, creating a beautiful symphony of the self. Tips: balancing various aspects of the inner world, achieving a sense of wholeness and fulfillment, and living authentically and with purpose. Exploring your world within is an introspective journey into the depths of one's own identity, emotions, mind, and spirit. It involves understanding personal beliefs and strengths, navigating the complex emotional landscape, and tapping into the power of the subconscious mind. This journey also includes exploring spiritual dimensions and personal growth, emphasizing the importance of interpersonal connections, and recognizing the interplay between physical and mental health. Ultimately, it's about achieving a harmonious balance among these facets, leading to a more fulfilled, authentic, and purpose-driven life. The path to your true potential awaits. Are you ready to explore it? Start this journey today to uncover a more fulfilled, authentic, and purposeful version of yourself. If you found this useful, give us a thumbs up and drop any questions in the comments below. Subscribe and turn on notifications to see new videos about self-improvement and personal development. Thank you so much for watching. Check out this video to continue improving, and I'll see you in the next one.